Traders, here is an advanced tip for you. If you have never watched the DOM when the market opens, beware. The movement on your charts is nothing like what's really happening behind the scenes. Watch while I turn the replay on. Look at the speed with which these orders are coming in, thousands and thousands. The price jumps around several points at a time. While on the charts, it looks like it's moving smoothly. You will get a great deal of slippage. When you place your orders, if you are a couple of points away, you're suddenly in the red when you expect that you should have been in the green. Now let's take a look at the charts a little bit later on after the market has settled down some, and you can see a nice steady flow of orders being filled. When you see the DOM slow down a little bit, that's the time you should feel more comfortable placing your trades. Do not be in a rush to place trades when the DOM shows that the price is jumping all around. The DOM is easy to find on your Ninjatrader platform. Just go to New and click one of your DOMs. Open it up, select the instrument, and all you need to do is watch it for a little bit and then you can close it. If you'd like, you can even learn how to trade on the DOM, but this is going to be one of the most helpful advanced tips for you to make sure that you're getting your stop losses and your take profits near where you want them to be. When orders are jumping around, you will most certainly get filled farther away than what you're expecting, and as I said earlier, you can see winners turn into losers unexpectedly. So learn the DOM, good luck, and good trading.